it's me. Today we're doing this with the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia. This is my next palette in my palette A to Z series. I've used this palette like one or two other times, like playing with it, but I've never done a video with it. At least I don't think so. I couldn't find a video where I used this. So this is this. So if you want to see how I did this look and my thoughts on this palette, just keep on watching. Okay, base done, brows done, eyes primed. I'm gonna try to keep you a little more zoomed out just to see what happens. Alyssa Edwards palette. You didn't see that. Here you go. I asked my boyfriend to pick a color and he picked, where is it? Beyond, which is this shimmery purple, pink, magenta. Sure. So, I'm gonna start with Texas Made, which is this matte pink, magenta, purple color. And I'm gonna put this in my crease. I don't really want to put this in the outer corner, so I'm just going to put it in the crease. I've used this palette, I think, once before. I didn't do a video with it. I think I just played with it. And it did stain, but that's what happens with pinks, so just a fair warning. But, you know, I don't really care. Okay, and then I'm going to take my teeny tiny itty bitty brush and the white, which is called Headliner. It's just a matte white, and I'm going to use that. It'll be my brow bone highlight, and it'll blend out these edges a little bit. Just so they kind of, just so the pink kind of diffuses into the skin rather than just stopping. I'm going to take BBDC, which is a really dark purple. It's even a tiny bit. Okay. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner, or like outer third. Like barely touching in the crease. Now I'm going to take Beyond, that color. I'm going to plop this on the lid. This color's so pretty. And then I'm going to take that brush that I used with the BBDC and just go over the edge just so they blend into each other. I'm not picking up any more color, just using whatever's left on the brush. I feel like I just did my Juvia's Place Berries and Cream look again. Oopie! Okay, next I'm gonna take this blue, hello? Express is having a sale. Next I'm going to take this blue shade. I just want to play with more colors. I'm going to take this blue shade called Dream It. That one. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line. Should I take Believe? Hello? I'm going to take Dream It. And I'm going to put that on the lower lash line all the way across. And then take that teeny tiny brush again. I'm just going to clean it off a little bit because it's a little pink now. And just buff out these edges. For the inner corner, I don't want... Okay, I'm gonna try something here. And if I hate it, there'll be no going back. But so I'm going to take Brick Road, that yellow. And now I'm scared. I'm going to put it... Oh, nice. Whatever. Sorry, I'm like forgetting where I am. Okay, I'm putting this here. I'm putting it here. Oh, okay. I don't hate it. I wish it was brighter. I feel like it got darker than it looks in the pan. How can I don't like bending my palettes back. Ugh, let me show you this. Maybe it's just me, I don't know. Anyways, yeah, that looks fun. Okay, I'm gonna put liner and mascara and then I'll be right back. Alright, here are the eyes done. I like how it turned out. I really like how it turned out. This is a look. I did blue from NARS in the, what's this? Waterline. So let's finish the face. I did, back up a little bit more. Okay, I did some cream contour and bronzing when I did my base, so I'm just going to kind of go over all that with powder. I'm going to use the contour in the Cover FX Face Perfecting palette. The contour color is called Silhouette. So just right where I cream contoured. And I don't want to toot my own horn, but my skin looks great. I'm wearing the YSL All Hours foundation. It looks so good, but it doesn't last very long on me. But it looks great when I first put it on. Okay, so a little bit of contour. Don't need too much since I had already contoured basically. For bronzer, I'm going to use the Becca, what are these called? Sunlit bronzer. This one's Capri Coast. I think it's the second to lightest shade. I don't think it's the lightest shade. So use this to bronze. For blush, I'm going to use the Hourglass Mood Exposure, just because it's a nice nothing blush, and I knew the eyes were going to be colorful. Okay, before I put my highlight on, I'm going to take the finishing powder in the Face Perfector palette. It's called Stellar. I really wish they made this as a single, because I really like this finishing powder, and I don't want to have to get something else. Buff this all over. And then I'm going to take the more like yellowy highlighter in here. Wait, which one are you? You're over the contour. So this is Starlight. I'm so bad at reading. Point to the face. So cheekbone, up and around the brow. Do a C shape. Unless you have an angular face, don't do a C shape. Down the nose. On the cupid's bow. That's my favorite place to highlight. It's on the cupid's bow. Okay. Great. We're glowing. We're beautiful. I pulled out like 15 different lips because I had no idea what to do. I think I'm just going to do like a gloss because I don't want to take away too much from the eyes. Alright, I'm going to try this. This is Candy Drip from Jeffree Star. There is no foundation stuff all over me. My Dominoes is here. Yeah, I really like how this looks paired with the eyes because it's like that soft sheen of pink that ties in with the eyes, but it's not so much color that it's taking away from. Ooh, I really like how this turned out. Okay, let me spray my face. Smashbox. Ooh, this is a look. Wow, my skin, flawless. This eyeshadow, wrong way, gorgeous. I have dots on my face from the setting spray. I'm feeling myself. I don't want to take this off like ever. Wow, this is a look. Look at how great my skin looks. This eyeshadow, I could use this palette more. Wow, I just want to keep looking at myself. Wow, this is a look. I'm so amazed by myself. So I'm definitely going to keep the Alyssa Edwards palette. I think the reason why I don't use this a lot is because I am afraid of color. I mean, I shouldn't be, and I've been doing a lot of colorful looks lately, but I don't know what it is about colors that scare me. But these eyeshadows are fantastic. They're great quality. I love Anastasia's formula. So I'm definitely going to keep this and keep playing with it, because look at this look. I was trying to like raise my eyebrows and like open my eyes at the same time. But yeah, this is a look. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you soon. Bye!